Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Gamestop account and pulling up the orders page. This is where cancellations start. Once signed in, locate the specific order number and confirm the order status. If it shows processing or pending, you have a chance to cancel. Make sure to note the payment method and the order timestamp because you may need those when contacting support. If the order already shows shipped, stop here and prepare to use returns instead. Otherwise, continue to the next step to attempt cancellation. Once the order is identified, click into its details and look for a Cancel Order button, press it, and confirm the cancellation to generate immediate confirmation. If the button is absent, switch to live chat or call Gamestop support. Share your order number and payment method clearly so they can locate the order quickly. Keep the conversation focused. Ask the agent to cancel and request a cancellation ID or confirmation message. Make sure to screenshot or save that confirmation because it proves the request was processed. You finish by confirming the cancellation email and noting the refund timeline. Refunds often take several business days depending on your payment method. Once done, monitor your bank or card statement and save all communication until the refund posts. If you were charged and no refund appears within the stated window, contact support again and escalate politely. Reference your cancellation ID and timestamps. As a last resort, file a dispute with your card issuer while keeping copies of emails and chat logs to support your claim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.